sidewalks for neighborhoods like this one in Fairmount.
Well, if you not put it out, they're probably not picking up.
Emily Bench clearing the snow off the pavement on what was trash day here. Now delayed for a week by the snowstorm. No pickup tomorrow either. Curbs stacked with bags collecting snow, even furniture that isn't going anywhere today. City sanitation crews are instead detailed to snow removal, part of the citywide effort to tackle the storm that's covering roadways as the snow comes down.
Crews are treating the entire city, but the snow emergency routes, primary and secondary roads will be serviced first to allow safe paths. Residential streets will be treated after primary and secondary roads have been treated for safe traffic.
Philadelphia Streets Commissioner Carlton Williams said crews are working 12-hour shifts.
What's the threshold for when you say, it's not safe to have your crews out there?
We don't have a threshold. We continuously go out and hit those streets before it accumulates to high levels. So ultimately, our crews continuously work and they continuously run those across the